Hey Ramon, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about three different topics. Uh, but before we get into that, my name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm from Scenic Spark SEO, and I love to help small business owners such as yourself grow your business. So with that, let's get to it. First thing I want to talk about is content. Second thing I want to talk about and that we are going to cover is keywords and backlinks. Third thing that I want to talk about is citations. Now, let's begin with topic number one, which is content. Now, when you type in electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico, I went and scrolled down and looked for your business. Carrasco Electric is on the 53rd position. Now, before we get into your business, whenever you type this in, these three positions up here is called the organics, Yelp, Angie's List, Better Businesses up here, and this is called the Map Pack. So these three top spots is where you want to be. So with that, let's get back to your website. So I click on your website, and overall it looks really nice. I like the way that the layout is up here with your brand. I like how you have these tabs here. Contact us, gallery, your services are right here. You have this Let's Talk tab right here. So, but the main thing that Google really loves is content. Now, Google loves 1,500 to 2,000 words worth of content in your homepage. Now, from the looks of this, it doesn't look like you have that many words of content. So let's take a quick look into the word finder here, or excuse me, the word counter. And you have about 136 words. Now, that's not nearly enough, but hey, I mean, you can always add as much words as you like. So, okay, let's look at your competitor real quick. Now, your competitor for this, as I was discussing earlier, is Wagner Mechanical, and I'll say a little bit more about these companies up here. The reason why they're up here is because they are ranking at a national level. So if we ranked, or if we targeted this service area with different uh, processes that we do, using everything that Wagner Mechanical is using, we could beat Wagner Mechanical and get to the top because we're focusing on the service area. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much it on that. I just wanted to add that in there. But here is their website. Just by looking at it, I could tell you right now that Wagner has about 700 words of content. So let's take a quick look at this and see what they have. Okay, copy. And let's see, you had 136. Let's see what they got. Okay, 732 words. They obviously need work as well, so that probably explains part of the reason why they're in the fourth position. So with that being said, that's about all I have for content. The second thing that I want to discuss with you today is backlinks and keywords. And when we plug your website into this tool we call Ahrefs, now you could buy this tool, anyone can purchase it. It's a monthly subscription, and what this does is it just says, it just tells the present status of your website. Now, all that we're looking at here is this top row up here, which is UR, which is the strength of your website, which is a scale of 0 to 100, and you have your DR right here, which is the trust of your website, 0.3, and it's, excuse me, you want to get at least up to a 50 DR in this, from what I've seen. But this tells you everything, your backlinks, your referring domains to those, and you also have your organic keywords which you're using on your website. Now, if we go to your competitor's website, I mean, look how high their DR is. This pretty much tells you that they're very trusted, so that's why they're up there in the fourth position. Now, they got 61 backlinks, 40 referring, and 124 organics. We have access to all this, so that's the good news. So we could do everything that they're doing and then some. So that's what would get us to the top, is the and then some part. So we have the organics, we have access to this. So if you click on organic keywords, this tool will show us what keywords Wagner Mechanical is using for their website. So you have your volume and your KD. Just in a nutshell, you got all these keywords selection here. So basically, that's pretty much it for keywords um, and backlinks. I don't want to get you too confused with that, but that's in a nutshell, that's what it is. So the third thing that I really want to discuss with you as well is citations. Now, citations pretty much are like a digital footprint for your business. So it's like a phone book. So we don't have phone books anymore. So basically, this tells Google, you know, where when you punch in like electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico, this is the first thing that pops up is your GMB right here, and this is the first three positions that pop up. So Yelp and Angie's List and whoever's in Angie's List are getting all the business. Desert States Electric are getting some business up there as well. But in order to beat Desert States Electric, all you have to do is put your GMB 100% and make sure that everything is saved correctly. What I would do is just basically do what Desert States is doing and then some again, and that would end you up here. Now, all these three spots are great. So basically what you'd have to do is just attach citations to them and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much all I have for you, Ramon. I hope that this information brings great value to you. I hope that you can use it for your business. And remember, this is free information for you to use, free of charge. If you ever need anybody to look into this and work to get you to the top with this, just give me a call anytime, and I'll be glad to sit with you and chat and take a look at this and get to work for you on this. If not, no harm, no foul. And with that, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll hopefully talk to you soon. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye now.